Hello and welcome to Bollywood Spy. And today we have with us Romana. Welcome to Bollywood Spy.
Thank you so much.
So पहले सबसे तो मैं मेरे viewers को बताना चाहूंगी कि we have Romana again back with a very crazy role. So Romana, tell us something more about your this role क्योंकि आपकी जो hair है मैं उसे ही देखकर पहले सबसे तो mesmerize होगी. What color it is?
So it's blue, like
Wow.
it was almost all of it. You can barely see any black, so I had colored all of it blue. So first you have to bleach it, and then it literally, I'm not joking and not exaggerating, it took 10 hours to get that done.
Oh,
But I hope it's worth it. I hope it was worth it. I hope people like it. But yeah, it was quite amazing to see yourself that way. I wasn't. It took me some time to get used to it.
well, let me tell you, it's looking very attractive and completely suiting to your role.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So, Romana, we have seen कि आप एक बहुत ही अलग और बहुत ही crazy way में दिख रहे हो. Anna is also there with you. Tell us something more about your character.
Well, my character Anna is a British girl who I would say she's you catch her in a moment when she's really broken, and then Ahana and this character, when they come together, it's really like two broken souls have been put together on this crazy journey. She is. She's a good-hearted person, but she's street smart. She's wise. She's careful. She's, she knows how to gauge people, and she's really all heart. That's the part that I liked about her the most. She lost her mother, she ended up living on the street, so all of those things have made her the person that she is, which is all heart, giving, caring, but also a little street smart.
Romana, we want to know कि जो पहला scene है trailer का जहाँ she asked you, I know you can please cry with me. I want to know वो scene करने में कितनी बारी आपको लगा?
Actually, और मैं सच बोल रही हूँ, there were no retakes.
Oh.
We did it in one go because it was that kind of scene. और उस सीन में हम एक्चुअली काफी आइसोलेटेड थे. हम बैठे थे एंड यू नीडेड द सैंड अराउंड यू टू बी क्लीन, यू डिडंट वांट एनी फुटस्टेप्स. तो बाकी के जो लोग थे वो हमसे बहुत दूर थे, तो हमें ठीक से समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है. काफी टाइम तक वो तैयारी कर रहे थे और हम दोनों बैठे बैठे सोच रहे हैं कि क्या मतलब एक्शन किसी ने बोला नहीं बोला, हमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. But we did it in one go, and it was really one of those scenes. It's one of my favorite scenes in the film, uh, where you completely went into it and you had no idea. And I think as an actor, it's the best thing when you don't know what you're doing. It's just flowing out of you. So I think that's and if you see the whole scene, it's even more beautiful.
Exactly. I just took twice or thrice to see that scene. It's very amazing the way she see. I know you can cry with me. Come on. So yeah. So we would like to know कि Bawri Chori, the name of this.
Yeah.
We would like to know what made कि किस वजह से इसका नाम बावरी छोरी रखा गया and who is बावरी छोरी in this?
Babri Chori is Radhika, but I mean the title could apply to this to my character as well. Although I think it was kept for her character because uh, her aim is to find her husband and to kill him. So obviously I think the title is justified in that way. The aim that she comes with, what she wants to do, and also the journey that she embarks upon. Not many people would have the guts to just land in a country that's unknown, that you're not familiar with, and to and that too to do something that crazy. So I think that's why it's been called Babi Chori.
Right. मैं हमारे दर्शकों को बताना चाहूंगी कि Romana is coming with a back-to-back projects and she even has Dev D season 2. So we would like to know about that as well.
Dev Didi is is been in the has been in the making for quite some time. So I'm really happy that it's finally coming out because the wait was pretty long. That has been quite an experience, I have to say. It's unlike anything I've done before. In terms of how we worked on it, I'm just really curious to see how people react to it, because my relationship with the character that is Chandni, played by Rashmi, is one that I was very excited about when they first approached me and explained the whole concept to me. Then it became something slightly different, but the initial idea, which kind of remains in the show, was very interesting. You know, you have two women who are in love. In the first season, they were living together. And they have taken that relationship and pushed it a step further. And I'm just really curious to see how people react to that, because for me, it was, I just really like the idea of normalizing a relationship between two women.
All right. We will hope कि आने वाले जो ये देव डीडी है उसे भी ऑडियंस उतना ही एंजॉय करे. Although Rumana, we would like to know from you कि आपका ये जो कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, जो चॉइस होती है कैरेक्टर्स की, काफी ही अलग होती है. I would like to know कि आप पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या है, क्या आप इनसे रिलेट कर पाती है, जैसे कि हम आपको पंचनामा 2 में देखते हैं या फिर अभी जो एक नया कैरेक्टर हम देख रहे हैं, कितना रिलेट कर पाती है आप इस तरह के कैरेक्टर से?
मैं एक्चुअली कैरेक्टर्स, हर कैरेक्टर के किसी ना किसी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक से मैं रिलेट कर पाती हूँ, बट कभी भी एक कैरेक्टर से पूरी तरह रिलेट नहीं कर पाती हूँ. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट. बट आई डू always understand my characters. I never judge them. Sometimes I might judge them ethically or feel like, oh, this thing is wrong or that thing is wrong, but that is not as an actor, it's as a person. As an actor, I never judge a character, and I always understand their point of view, because you know, every point of view can be understood if you are open minded. So I try to be open minded and try to understand what makes them do the things that they do. And frankly speaking, I love crazy characters, because I think the way I carry myself in real life is pretty normal, mundane. I consider myself a pretty boring person. You know, I'm disciplined. I do what I'm supposed to do. And there are very few instances where I'm with friends and I'll unwind and I'll go completely crazy. But otherwise, I think, you know, I live my craziness through the characters.
हाँ राइट. वी वुड लाइक कि आप हमारे दर्शकों को बताएं कि बावरी छोरी को कब, कहाँ और कैसे देख सकते हैं.
So Babri Chori is releasing on Eros now on the 14th of Feb, so on Valentine's Day.
Okay, Rumana, who is your Valentine? What is your Valentine plan this year?
I unfortunately do not have any Valentine's Day planned. My partner is currently traveling, so I will probably spend Valentine's Day with chocolates. That's going to be that's the only plan I have.
All right, thank you, Rumana, for joining with us on Bollywood Spy. It was lovely having a conversation with you.
Likewise, thank you so much for having me.